Thomas Morin Scotland se lived à la WHO Ernei Livigna a Bakepe. Tug lived be yourself in a cottage was a zero Nelly, maybe because felt a connection with Ib. In warm vite when it bloom covered more, to the but z abu with a satisfy of seeing nectar o revete liquid, en felt happy for them. In lat fall when will flower become scarce, their buds in become more erratic and understood their anxiety. Some team te lad complimented I bon an especially large batch of honey, en tesse emet to buds abu in pisure en pride. Folkington set lad cool talk to tebe. Of course ta cool d'un betru, but in a way felt tech naseote very well. On evening at lad shaking I believe, to all suddenly après from across the moor, barking wildly, and dashing directly to Varim. The object of search as soon become apparent when a wit are leaped out of tite into ir. Qui quitte la tuquette terrifié animal and jacket. The two circled I leg, barking angrily. Piquet du pastic en so on get around, eventuality dog have up and bounded away. When the dog desired from the lad set te back on the ground and returned to work. But instead of hopping into the ticket, te followed him, twitching in nose and him steadily. Ainsi the cottage and te rambled in blanc. Well now, you act like you want to be pay, said. It looks like you expect dinner. I suppose he might have a carro for you. Let her nibble on a carro will scoped some stento a ball for your dinner. When te had but finished, te har jumped onto il a pan stroked I dans air. Ouk, said with surprise. I've seen black or pink eyes on a witar, but did you jet those blue? Noir responded be stretching I back for more petting. The next morning it took her to Eve to introduce her to Ib. Neta changed in their environ quand alarme, en didn't want process of her to set le theme. So held out her for them to spare first, then set her down close to Ife. The body head donnant spin around their face bush d'Ibin sem to mien. After te satisfy their curiosity en returned to their Eve, talked her to the next day Eve for another round of introduction. On afternoon a fait éclater, te lad noticed dans although Omaha ambling a long track across the moor. Thinking it might seller a fine comb of honey, mare at gat. Before could speak, ove, je pointed to her, WHO appearing out from behind a shrub. You don't sta every day, said she with a crooked smile. Abluedar. Indeed, said the lad, turning to admire it. What do you want for her? Said old Omaha. Snowforsal. Surely you have your price, lad. No look at the bonny piece of gold. You know every day you are offered a piece of gold for a commoire, no it. Cheneau comment, en Snowforsal, frenette Bakepe. A once te old Omaha, o homme te lada took much to all for such friskiness, sprung over to grabber. A bovring near big avalouche reel, as soon ta surprise te old Omaha apparently alerted to tebe. In moment dark Svarmad Gatorade en rush to attack te old Omaha. Et hic. Je criais, spinning around dans running away. You and sorry you didn't have it worthless when you could have. The next day at marketplace, when was in yone, the Bakepe shared wa had happened with the baker WHO tended style next to we. Sur little Omaha a which, said the baker, arranging bread, potatoes con mi pisatoniro. Tak me vor, you get a careful. Hey, agreed c'est off sweater en kilton iotecide. Shawich, no do pabuit. But la tube, ten again, just wo of ten tank pay up le harwich. It could have been just a strange happenstance. Still, just in case, Night baredi Windows en locadi dur. From tenon capta close yon iara altim. Somme passed. Bit team frost leont grundint morning, fait floer, en very feb, remené à outint colder. Most of te bead already retreated tout evil urteb ganser coldvite work of keeping it eve warm en mug forcer kin tous les règles. On chili octobre morning te la doit setting très off sugawater ainsi de te eve when a gypsy caravan roll beyond ni ouais soutoir. Wavet tout driver en ayou gypsy m'en wavet back. Muche latte, te lad noticed a sac of grain lying te rad juste past te gat. Ouk, it must have dropped from te gypsy vent. Tail ne vec no missing til te setup cantonite. Biten it lebeto dark to come back looking for it. Saute la doist de sa conto i 40 coff, following te tractat gypsy vent ad dugbin intert. Inan urorso qu'occupuit tem. Teletem. When te stopped dans that yon gypsy driver te sac of grain. Do you man tout elme you followed du salty way to return a sac of grain? Cet yon gypsy man. Most folk are mort angla for us to go, en tout levé sus a gain. We should I bring it back to you? Said. Else id have tout un cabouilleur por orse missing sardine tonight. Juste tent harpocadi id out from under te bake per jacket. En white, said gypsy lad. Ablu dar? I, said with pride. Chasse spécial on, chui. Mort en spécial, id sait, said gypsy fellow. Grandma. Cal ainsi de te vent. I want to show you something. En oldo oman with a brighted scarf, long pleated skirt en plus fed with blue stepped out of the vent. Now what do you think of that? Said gypsy man, nodding toward her. Omi. Cette grande beauté. I only are, said bake pe. Toldo oman chou carried. Noah all. While the cool chub. Ti alassi, cette grande beauté. Alassi whos been mitched. To bake pe gasped. Ten spy out history. Tol tem bot about to dog who chazet are across more, te strange oldo oman who a trié tout grabber, te de who for cette witch away, en wife rien at marketplace a de cette about oldo oman. Your frien are right, cette grande moté firmly, tao oman wa witch en odupt verion who bitchet lassi. On nothing you can coin on, she will come back. She bidding her team for te lassi, tachni. Why is waiting for? À la loive, I suspect, cette grande moté. Chekno te be will be back in serive bitten. Be most important to her, that end of the year went magic of which it strongest. What can I do? Said, alarmed. Thelma, did you say who can talk to tube? No exactly talk. HMMM, okay you talk to them, you man need ser help. When you go home, explain to tube that which ma return. Before the sunset on a la loive, Tiago de strong coraroon te harneck en shoulder en keeper on your lap till past midnight. Ta soon fin, cette lad. Do you think ti will be easy? Cette grande moté. When shun bet witch spell, je m'appelle en jump with a poeta will shock you, but you must hold their tight. If te becan et le alt bete. Te oldo omanto cadibreatan looked a him with her oldo triey. Ta ali canse. O te tenta, wa wilb. When te lad returned we cottage, carrier te are from eve to eve, repeating what old gypsy oman at all dim. On te on felt a bit si explaining a lot to a massive. Yet biser collective soon tesse to murmure in understanding, a person would do who a listening. En went la de steped away et sans said a building excitement from without Eve. On a la loeve, te bake pétier à strong coraroun te harneck en shoulder, en cette ère on il up. Torch state contentedly intict darkness et te led sauticlita cool dans lis te profil offer with fur. Tensu dans l'itlar lurched so powerfulita cooled barely container. Je twist do it such mighty toile cooled do to keep her from sliding out of it en. Juste à started ouvrig le free, ira tamment ibeveran circlignatem. Closé antiquer cam te bas, forming a talent deep surround. Te hard jerked derrière en twitch nose. Je flitted dont il a panoued à boubuno longé trié to escape. Finalitlar cette plaide de nonce mort. Antenne, te marvel of it. No longé wa wit, bluey daron il ap, but à boni bluey de la scie. Kick le removet corps from around their neck. Tel oged at on day of it, te did no knowa tout tank. But à morning donnet, te bevrba qui s'arrive, te jeux veroingine et te mort, en te la dans il a sivrin te cottage, making plan to marry.